Do you really need to spend hundreds of dollars on premium electronic tools? Or can the budget ones get the job done just as well? Today, we're putting budget versus premium tools to the ultimate test to find out. Here they are, side by side. On one hand, a full set of premium, well-known brand tools. On the other, a budget-friendly kit I found online. Let's get them unboxed and see what we're working with. First up, the premium set. The weight feels substantial, the grips are ergonomic, and everything just screams quality. The design is sleek, and you can tell a lot of thought went into the build.
For the budget tool,
They're much lighter, which could be good or bad. The plastic feels a bit cheaper, and the overall finish isn't as polished. Of course, there's a huge price difference, which we'll show on screen right now. But the real question is, how do they perform? It's time for the real-world test. Let's start with a common task, cutting wires. The premium cutters slice through like butter, clean and effortless. The budget cutters, well, they get the job done, but it takes a bit more muscle, and the cut isn't quite as clean. Next, soldering. The premium iron heats up fast and maintains a stable temperature, making it easy to create a solid connection. The budget iron takes longer to heat up, and the temperature seems to fluctuate a bit, making the job a little trickier, but still manageable. Finally, let's try unscrewing a small electronic device. The precision screwdriver from the premium set fits perfectly, no slipping at all. The budget screwdriver feels a little less precise, and I have to be more careful to avoid stripping the screw head. The difference is definitely noticeable in these close-up shots. So, what's the verdict? After putting both sets through their paces, it's clear the premium tools offer a better user experience. They feel more durable, are more precise, and frankly, make the work more enjoyable. However, for a beginner or someone who only does occasional repairs, the budget tools are surprisingly capable. They get the job done without breaking the bank. So, for hobbyists, starting with a budget set might be the smart move. What do you think? Would you spend more for quality or stick with budget-friendly options? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this comparison helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.